Hi, this is Vicky from patternprincess.com. Today I'm going to show you how to add fringe onto some of your yarn work. This fringe is 3.5 inches long when it's tied. It starts off to be 7 inches long, and I've put one in each row that I've done of crochet here. This pattern here for this is a nice triangle scarf that's done out of the granny stitch. This pattern is available on patternprincess.com if you'd like to go and check that out. But I'm going to show you quickly how to put fringe on. And it's real easy. You can either use, well, it needs to be something stiff that you wrap your yarn around. Now you could use cardboard. To be honest, I use my iPad. From this end to this end, my iPad is 7 inches. So it works real nice. It's about the right size, and it gives you the 3.5 inch when it's folded in half. So I just take my yarn, hold it down, and I just start wrapping it around my iPad. Okay, it's a nice, real stiff surface. It holds up well. It's just very easy to work with. And all right, so I got my yarn wrapped around. I'm going to move this one closer here so I can hold it all for you. All right, so the first thing I do is in here, there's like a little groove that I can stick my scissors in. So I cut one side, right? I'm gonna hold on to this because I found that if I try and just move it and cut the other side, it kind of comes undone. So I hold this. Now I'm going to line these up. Okay, I'm going to cut this again, cut it in the middle. I'm going to get through all of them here. Okay, so now I have some pieces of yarn that are about 7 inches, right? So in each one of these, I have 2 pieces of yarn that I've done. So now I'm going to take my yarn and line them up, fold it over, line them up, okay? So in my work here, I'm going to make sure that I choose the same spot of each row so it's very uniform. So I'm going to put my hook underneath, and I'm just going to lay my yarn over that, grab my yarn, bring it through. Now I'm going to put my fingers through, grab the tails of the yarn, and pull and make it snug. You now have another fringe added. And then I like to do it always the same way. If you notice, they're all, this here looks the same as it does on this side. So that each time I'm adding it the same way, it's very, very nice and uniform. So I'll do that again. I just have the 2 pieces pretty well lined up. Okay, now my next row part here is going to be right here. I put my hook under there. I grab my yarns, bring them through, get my fingers stuck in there. Whoopsies, gotta get my fingers stuck in there. Get my yarn tails and pull it through and tighten it up. I'm gonna continue doing this all the way up the edge. Now I didn't do the whole part here because this is the part that people may tie. You'd have it by the back of your neck. So I've gone 10 rows down, and that's where I started my yarn for my fringe. But I'm going to go work, and then also in the center here, I've added 2 extra ones here and then 1 extra one here, so it hangs down nicely in the center. But I'm going to be working my way all the way up this side until I get to that 10th row from the end, and I'll cut more yarn pieces as I need them. But that's how you quickly add fringe to something. It takes a little bit of time, and I could add more fringe. I could add 3-4 pieces of fringe if I wanted it thicker. I could put the fringe closer together. Excuse me, I could add another fringe here and here if I wanted it closer together. But this is about where I wanted the fringe for this particular project. I hope you enjoyed learning how to put on fringe, and I hope this inspires you to make something of your own with fringe. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.